When you're
Hello,
recording.
everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our podcast. This is the Living 15 podcast. So, I'm your host, Kevin. I'm joined with my co host, Jonathan. Anyone
Hello.
else? We also have Catherine.
Hello.
We have Jay.
Hi.
And we have Ashley.
Hi.
Also, we have Isabella.
Hi.
Okay, so last week, what did we talk about?
Wait,
I
what week?
wasn't here last
We
week.
talked about our targets.
Yeah, we were talking about how we can make a deeper dive into our SDG. So basically, in today's episode, we're going to talk about how are you going to create awareness about your global goal? How is your global goal different around the world, and what type of solution can your team develop? So first off, we're going to start with the easy stuff. So how is our global goal different around the world? As we all know, America, we're a first world country. We basically have all the proper stuff, but we also have third world countries or developing countries. Can anyone tell me what those countries are?
Third world.
Yeah, but what does like third world mean or developing country mean?
Uh,
Are you going on Google, man?
Third world country is probably a lot more. I don't know what the word is. Probably a lot more undeveloped.
Yeah, it's like kind of more there's like poverty or something. So it is true that the issues that we have in other countries might not be the issues that we have here. So can anybody tell me some examples about what type of ways our global goal can be different around the world? Like what struggles do other countries have that we might not have? And you can refer to your target.
I think some third world countries have more poverty than we do.
Yeah. So basically, it is true that, so for example, let's take Africa for example. Is it true that there are a lot of diseases present in Africa that they really haven't found cures for?
Yes.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
even if it is treatable, say here in America, it's gonna be way more expensive there because they don't have really any sustainable things that they can rely on. If that
For
makes sense.
example, like malaria.
Yeah. Yeah, because we learned this in English class. They say like malaria treatment in Africa is only about $5 USD, but in a lot of cases, a lot of people cannot actually even afford $5 US, the equivalent of $5 US. What's an example of some places that have been damaged? Example, Brazil.
Australia.
Australia. Hasn't there been a lot of fires there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and I forgot. Well, where it's at, is it the Amazon rainforest in like Brazil or something? Where's it at?
is it? I thought it's like in South America or something.
It is Brazil, cause like I heard like a lot of the news are like I think like I heard like the Amazon jungle is like really not endangered, but like a lot of land has like really diminished there, like the quality of land there.
Kevin, the Amazon rainforest is actually multi-continental.
Oh, but yeah, again, so yeah, that's one of the examples. We can afford a lot of things here, where in those countries it's actually hard for people to afford them, or they're just way too expensive.
Uh-huh.
For example, say in my country, you know that cable is like $10 or something. Cable TV. But here's the thing, it might be because here's the thing, unlike here in America, the equivalent of $10 might not be enough what people receive in some other countries, if that makes sense.
Yeah. It matters on how well off people are, like in money.
And because those places, they don't have a lot of money, they're not as well regulated. That's why where do people get malaria from?
Like
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. Like what else? What, it's like a disease. Like a lot of like, so for example, a lot of water in Africa isn't. Don't they say who the heck just joined? Oh,
Hi, it's Miss
Oh.
Kwan.
I was so confused of who that was. I was like, what? Who the what?
Oh,
But yeah. Yeah, like we said, for example, some water in Africa, it's not safe to drink, and what can happen if you drink those unsafe waters?
you could
you get
die.
really sick.
Yeah, you can get sick. A lot of stuff there isn't as well regulated. There's not because again, with the lack of money in those places, there's not really a sustainable government, or maybe maybe in some places the government is corrupt and they don't care about protecting the environment, protecting the lives of the people that live there.
Some people even have to travel to get like food and
Yeah,
like,
some people have to travel 2, 3, 4 miles there. Really.
yeah.
Hey, Mr. Kwan, I have a question. We're recording. Wait. Okay, I don't know if I'm allowed to keep. Okay, it's a listed video, so yeah, our global goal can be different around the world because in a lot of places there's not a lot of protections, and so to summarize that part, a lot of people can have different types of global goal sufferings because the government, the land, the water, it might not be safe, or a mixture of all of them. So what is one way that we can create awareness about our global goal?
We can like spread it in social medias.
Yeah, social media again. That's one big way. What else can we do? And it's one of our targets. If you might remember, it's what giving ideas to
Government.
the government. Yes, yeah. A lot of activists. They
I
just
feel like-
some people say like protest. Obviously, I think Catherine, didn't you say that or something about protesting?
Oh yeah.
But
About
don't
protest.
protest right now because of the COVID pandemic.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can create awareness by doing it on social media. That's like a baseline because we're online now. Maybe we can maybe you can get like some organizations to sponsor you, and then we can give this to the government. Okay, so Kevin, for post production here to explain what just happened. Basically, we had to go back into our regular Zoom call because the teacher had to say something, Mr. Romero, and then we just went back to our breakout rooms, but we lost Isabella's feed. So here you go. Okay, we kind of lost one of our team members in the whole crisis thing, but basically, what type of solution do we think we can develop?
I think withholding more information and spreading it.
Yeah, spread it like peanut butter. That's one of the easiest ways that we can do it. Just speak up. We're not asking you to drive to the White House and tell Biden do this, do this, do this. We're just saying that you have to start at the base ground and work your way up. But yeah, what else? So we can spread the word. What other solutions can we do? And remember, this goal is about improving our land. So what else can we do?
Just like we were talking about last time, like protesting too.
Yeah, but what else? But what else can we do that concerns the land itself? We can plant trees and stuff like that too. Yeah, do more environmental work. Help the gardens out. Because remember, what do plants give us?
Oxygen.
Yeah.
Oxygen.
What's the name of the process?
Photosynthesis.
Yep. So yeah, I think that's again. We're just asking for like baseline ways, solutions that we can improve the world using our goals. So yeah, that is true. Spreading the word, helping helping the land really. Because again, what is SDG 15 called? I'll give $100. Life on land. It's about living on the land. So yeah, that's some of the solutions that we can develop. Catherine wants to add something real quick.
Also cleaning up the ocean because the ocean gives us oxygen as well.
That's true. It's not just about the land. It's also about the oxygen and stuff too.
Yeah.
Hold up. So anyways, that was it for the Living 15 podcast for this episode. Make sure you check back in next week for the next episode, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.